Lisa. I love everything makeup, hair, and nails. Skin too. I like skin too. And most of all, subscription boxes. Today I will be unboxing the GlossyBox. If you haven't heard of it, it is a $25 box, I believe. Sorry. I have my air conditioner on and somehow little bugs are all getting in here and they're attracted to my lighting. So deal with me and the bugs, I guess. I hope. If you can. Anyways. So I am going to open this up right quick so we can get right into it. All right, what do we have here? See, I love this. Look at inside, looks like this. They gave us 2 free little samples of Vital Proteins, Collagen, and Peptides. They are unflavored dietary supplement, so you could put them in your Kool-Aid, your coffee, your tea, lemonade, water. You could put them in anything. They're just a supplement. That's cool. That's free. And they always give you some type of useless advertisement. Just kidding. This is for Geico. Some people might need it. Okay. Everybody should have insurance, right? That's what they tell us, whether we use it or not. Anyways, this month's Glossy is Poolside Paradise Edition. This is basically all of the products that you get and how much they're worth and just a little bit about them. And what is cool is you get another box and another box. So you're paying for 1 box and you get 2 boxes. Gotta think smarter, not harder. That's what my daddy would say. This is the GlossyBox. I always say how the Birchbox is nice, but this is up and beyond Birch. This box is, it's just plain this month. It's different every month, but this month is beautiful and pink, and I love it, regardless if it's plain or not. But it's thick. It's adorable inside. Wow, I love it. Isn't that cute? And I save these boxes, and I put all kinds of things in them, from jewelry to little trinkets, lots of things. I use them for packaging gifts too sometimes. And look at, they have everything so cute. They're just makes you feel good when you open it and look at it. Got a ribbon, little tissue paper. Anything wrapped in tissue paper is gonna be typically a present, so I love it. I love presents, so I get hooked on subscription boxes because it's like I like getting mail. It's like getting presents in the mail, full of more presents. But anyways, okay, what do we have? Let's see. Okay, first things, we've got, fucking bugs. Okay, first things we've got is something called seed phytonutrients. Got that one out. Very cool packaging. It is, I'm guessing it's supposed to be like, look earthy and, you know, recycled. This is probably recycled anyways, but it's a moisture conditioner. It I can't really read the writing. Supporting independent American farmers who grow our sunflower seeds. Amen. Amen to that. With hydrating meadow foam. Okay. With hydrating meadow foam seed oil for dry, damaged hair. And this retails for $18. It's vegan, silicone-free, designed to replenish dry, coarse, or damaged hair. Organic meadow foam seed oil provides deep hydration for a healthy, soft, shiny hair, while mango butter helps manage dry ends and flyaways. This I think was made literally for my hair. So thank you, GlossyBox, for teaming up with these guys and thinking of me, for real. And that is so cool that they're getting oil from sunflowers. I mean, sunflower seeds, that's great. I use sunflower seed oil cooking all the time. It's great oil. Okay, next item is Nobe Cosmetics. I think that's how you pronounce it, Noabay. It is a Freedom Low pH Hemp and Green Tea Cleanser. Ooh, nice. Very nice. Let's see if it smells. You know, I want to see if that conditioner smells. Absolutely no scent, which is great for a lot of people. So it's unscented. The first step into any skincare routine, both day and night, cleansing formulated to delicately remove dirt, It's all cruelty-free. That's another thing about GlossyBox. They seem to do a lot of clean products they promote, and that's appreciated. I think for the whole world appreciates that. But let's smell this conditioner too real quick. Oh, that retails for $18.20. Don't forget that 20 cents in there. I don't know, it smells different. I don't really know what it smells like, but it doesn't smell like that sensual conditioner that just makes you all warm inside. That smells like something you'd put on your plants, maybe. I don't know. I mean, but with like a hint of eucalyptus, maybe. It's different, but I'm still excited about it. Next thing, PW, not POW, PW. What does that mean? It is a natural deodorant cream. Okay, and it is definitely a deluxe mini. Oh, by the way, these two were full-size items. Okay, this is not, unless you're a BB. This is a deluxe mini. It says rub into skin with fingers until completely clear. Reapply after bathing and exercising. So it's not waterproof or sweat proof. But I already use a natural deodorant cream from a company that I love so much called Soulshine. They make everything homemade. They've been in business for like 6 years now, and they're doing outstanding because they are that good. But I don't sweat at all, and I'm a pit sweater. That's where I sweat, my pits. And since I started using that, it's everything free, and now I'm sweat free. So I love it, and it smells divine. It's just got a hint of smell to it. I mean, barely anything, but it is, whatever it is divine. And yeah, so I will be curious to try this out, but I will never sway from you, Soulshine, ever. By the way, I'll put a link down below for it. This smells like, you know, them ribbon candies at Christmas time that are probably your grandma and your mother used to get, and now you get. Like, well, that's me anyways. My grandma got it, then my mom got it, you know, growing up, and now I buy it. So, but anyways, they all look different. They're all supposed to be different. They're like orange and white, and they're all supposed to be different flavors, but just from them being in that like plastic cardboard package thing, they all taste the same. Do you guys know what I mean? I think most of you probably do. You have to, because it's ribbon candy. It's Christmas ribbon candy. Anyways, that's what this smells like. It's like a pepperminty, orangey, everything ribbon candy smell. But it is very smooth, very soft and silky, actually. Soulshine will work on that. There's not as quite as soft and silky, but I'll tell you, you don't want your pits to sweat. Order some of that. I get it in my monthly Beauty Fix box, and it rocks. No, not Beauty Fix, my Soul box. Anyways, we're on GlossyBox, so bear with me. This is Josephine. Hello, Josephine. What are you? You are a do you, it says. I will do me, you do you, right? The Flawless Liquid Highlighter. Oh, wow, nice. Glamorously Healthy, and it is in the shade Meat Claire. God, this is actually, it's a beautiful package, but I think I broke it or something. Anyways, it looks like this. Very fancy. And let's see what she looks like. I don't want it to go squirting everywhere. Should have said that. Sorry. And oh, it's like got a pink hue to it. This is very beautiful, very subtle once you wipe it out or brush it out or whatever you're gonna do if you get it, but it actually kind of goes away a lot and more looks just like a dewy finish with a hint of pinky rose. I just made that up. Pinky rose, you like that? I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
I like it a lot. Sorry, it's like 12:30 at night here and I am just tired silly. So I'm just rambling at the mouth, stupid things. I don't know. I'm I am unpackaging a box and I'm talking about all these other boxes. I apologize, GlossyBox. It's all about you. You. Right here, right now. GlossyBox. Thought my daughter came in and said, Mom, when it's my Shih Tzu snoring again. Anyways, this is from a company called Piliani. Piliani? What? I would like to say it Piliani. It might be Piliani, but we're going to say Piliani because I like the sound of it. This is a deluxe mini. It is definitely a deluxe mini. Oh, you see how big it is in the box? Or how big the box is? Surprise, surprise. You got a little mini BB. This is a mini me. Don't know what it is because I can't read it. It's something small, but it's definitely a concentrate, right? It's an ageless concentrate. Includes rare extracts found only in the Bicol region of the Philippines. This powerful formula was created to nourish skin deep from within. Pili oil concentrates have anti-aging benefits, while alumi oil extracts have firming properties. Amen. Sounds good to me. Leaves your skin soft, smooth, and supple. Okay, well. They had me at firming. Okay, and I believe that's all in my box. This is so cute though. Look at it. It's almost the size of my fingernail. I think my pinky's big. My pinky is actually bigger than that. But anyways, okay, so that anyway, that concludes my GlossyBox for June 2020. And I love it, as I love most of my boxes. Oh, I didn't even tell you how much this stuff was, huh? Okay, let's go back all the way probably to the deodorant, because I think that's the last time I told you a price. The little Piper Y. That's the brand, not PW, it's Piper Y. And it is 100% recyclable OWP, whatever that means. Anyways, they your little deluxe mini that we got is $6. The full size would be $13, and you can go straight to their website, pipery.com. Anyway, and Josephine Cosmetics, the beautiful highlighter that really is just a glossy, dewy finish, is $36. If you're looking for something that's like highlighter, you know, blinding and all that, you're not going to get that here. This is literally, look, it's just like a shiny, kind of barely shiny, like, I don't know, like just, you know, some people have shiny skin. That's what it is. Like, you just put some lotion on. That's a pretty big letdown, actually, because that looked so beautiful when I first put it on. But anyways, it's $36. And the Piliani concentrate, just an ageless concentrate, we don't really know anything more, is the deluxe mini, which is what we have. I would hate to see the regular mini. That's the deluxe mini. Was $8. Holy guacamole. $8 for this little, smaller than my pinky. That's craziness. I bet you it's really good. I bet you it's like a miracle in a bottle. Bet. Because the full size is $62. And it will probably make you holla. Holla! Yeah, I am really tired, sorry. Anyway, yeah, so that's cool. I'm happy to have it and try it. Like, that's pretty cool, because if it shows any type of sign that it's working, I could very well, I'd order it for sure. I will order anything that actually works for anti-aging or the aging that's already begun to work on that. I absolutely do. I think I only get one body, and it's worth it to me to spend the money to keep it healthy and beautiful. So that's just me. Anyways, don't forget our 2 little free products. Can't tell you how much those are worth because they were free and they don't tell us. But anyways, sorry, I was talking to the neighbor there. No, I kept looking at the neighbor, talking to you. Anyways, you guys have a fabulous evening, morning, day, whatever time you're at. And I will see you next time. All right, bye.